What if you could literally crush affiliate marketing? I'm talking about where you can actually create a list automatically, like instantly create a list, and where you can also go ahead and have a way of forcing people who are on that list to actually start buying stuff from you all the time. That sounds interesting to you. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review and bonus, because my bonus is really going to be important for this one, for Rush. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and you know by now that if you're not new, just skip ahead, because I'll tell you the same boring, stale jokes. I tell dad jokes, I get it, but I like my dad jokes, even though I'm not a dad. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why do I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you and I very much of rap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, you do not want crap. You don't. I know you claim you do, but you don't. Nobody does. These people certainly don't. You don't either. Now stop it. Guy's so annoying. But seriously, we are new. The way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I do love this lady. She always says some nicest things to me. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Rush. This is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. Jeremy is one of the top people that I know in the make money online industry. He's been doing this for a while, really, really crushing things. And he's put together a new piece of software. Now, I am always leery of promoting software because too often in this industry, when I promote software in the past from certain people, 6 months later, the software is gone. And I have people complaining to me, Eric, why did you tell me about this thing? Jeremy is one of the few people that I am willing to take a chance on because I know Jeremy for many years. I've worked with him a lot. He is a quality person who doesn't play games. So that is the only reason that you're hearing about this from me, because ordinarily I see software, I say, no thanks, not interested, not going to do it, because I have had too many times when that happened. But Jeremy is somebody that I genuinely trust. I have a high level of confidence that he's not going to play games, that he's going to keep this going for the long haul for you. And that means that it's going to be valuable to you. Now, I'm going to show you what it actually is in just a second. Before I do want to get to my custom bonus, because I do have, as always, probably the best custom bonus you're ever going to find. So Rush, basically what it does is it helps you to crush affiliate marketing. And what it does basically is that it limits the number of bonuses that people can actually get when you give away a bonus. Now, I personally don't do it that way. I've tried that, and it does work to a point. But I personally, what I prefer to do is to time limit my bonuses, which means that, as you can see for this bonus, if you're looking on my website, you can see that there is a time limit on the bonus. And that basically means that after a certain amount of time, if you were to buy, you're going to see on the sales on my bonus page, after the clock hits 0, it's going to say, sorry, you missed it. And if you went and bought after that time and you check the bonus page, it's going to say, sorry, you missed it. Now, we usually have an exception written out basically that says, hey, if you bought it after this and this date, we'll make a one-time exception. And the reason that we do that is because we understand sometimes life gets in the way, you get busy, but we also will not do an exception every single time. It's like it happens to you once or twice. Hey, I get it. Life gets in the way. You meant to buy it before the deal ended and you didn't. No problem. But we don't do it for every single time. Now, what Jeremy's method is, and this is the reason I'm not using it, is because of the fact that I already have my own limitations based on time as opposed to based on number of sales. But Jeremy's method, basically what it does is it automatically limits the number of bonuses. And it has a countdown timer that's actually going to show up on your bonus page to say, hey, you have X number of days left, X number of bonuses left. You have, if he puts down a limit of 50 bonuses, it'll be 50 bonuses, and then basically it's going to be, okay, now there's only 38 bonuses left because 12 people have bought already from me. There's only 5 bonuses left, whatever it is. And once it's gone because the software automatically limits it for you. Now, I've tried both ways. Both ways work. I happen to prefer the time method, but this is really, really nice because it builds it in for you automatically. And I'll show you the members in just a second, but I do want to tell you about my custom bonus before I do that because I have found a real doozy of a bonus for you. So I've actually been doing quite a bit of research, and I found a few different things that I think are really, really going to help you out quite a little bit. But the one thing that I am absolutely in love with is this new system that I found. This is designed to create what is known as a cold email list. What does that mean? Basically, that means that you can go and target somebody else's followers. Okay, it's basically it will create an email list from somebody's Twitter followers. So you find somebody who is big in your niche, and you can actually tell this software, hey, I want an email list from this. And it's designed to put together that email list for you. Now, you can't start spamming these people, obviously. You can't add them to your list and pretend that they've been on your list all the time, but you can do a cold email to them. Now, of course, if you want to do the cold email to them, you need a good email written. So you want a good email written, then you're going to get my other bonus, which is going to show you how to write a cold email in any style of any marketer that you like. Okay, this is something I've given away a couple of times, but it's really, really good. That is going to instantly create emails in the style of any marketer, so you can find cold emails from other marketers and have it rewritten in that style, but with your own custom words, so that you can use it for this. So you're going to use this tool to go and create your email list, and then use this other tool to actually start sending out these cold emails to people in that particular niche. It's a really, really cool 1-2 socket 2 and punch. That's really going to get you a lot of new followers for a very, very tiny price. Now, in addition to that, I also found a couple of other interesting things that I'm going to be profiling for you. So first of all, I'm also going to give you a brand new mentorship AI. And this one is specifically trained to help you to ask questions about starting up a new business. And it's designed specifically for that. It actually uses the Y Combinator system. Now, if you're not familiar with Y Combinator is one of the biggest startup programs there is in the world. They are responsible for multi-billions of dollars of startups. And ordinarily, in order to get into Y Combinator, you have to have a whole pitch. You have to have everything ready to go in order to be able to get into there. But this new AI system that I found will actually allow you to ask questions, and it answers you specifically based on all of the knowledge that has been accumulated for Y Combinator. So this is a really, really cool thing. And again, exclusively for me, I'm going to give you access to these 3 different courses. I'm going to give you access to, I'm going to show you what this tool is that will pull Twitter followers and get you an email list. I'm going to give you access to my custom ChatGPT prompt that you can use to create emails in the style of any marketer you like. And I'm going to give you access to this new bot that I found that is an AI system that's designed to give you advice based on the knowledge in Y Combinator. all three of these, you're going to get them from me. So you're going to have the ultimate package to really get started in this industry. So it's going to give you everything that you need, because Rushhh is going to give you the access to be able to have that sense of scarcity, that people feel a need that they must go buy it now, because otherwise they're going to run out of the bonuses. And then these three things together are going to give you the email list that you need. Plus, it's going to give you access to a mentor, an AI mentor that's specifically trained on Y Combinator to give you ideas to get started on how to start building up your own business. So it's the 1-2 punch that you really, really need. Now, to be perfectly fair, inside of Rushhh, and let me show you the members area real quick right now. They do have how to build a list overnight. Okay, so this is one of their bonuses that they're going to include for you. How to build a list overnight. Okay, it's an interesting bonus. I took a look at it. Good stuff, but I think that what I found is better, because this is going to give you a list, first of all, specifically to make money online niche, which maybe you want, maybe you don't want, because you don't have to use make money online as your niche in order to make money online. You can do weight loss, you can do, dating, you can, those are just a few of the big ones. There's hundreds upon hundreds of ways to make money online, and a lot easier niches than the make money online niche. Make money online niche is extremely, extremely difficult to get into. So I don't necessarily recommend that. But these methods are specifically designed to help you with that. But the one that I found will get you into any niche that you like. Simply pick a name, and it's going to show you a list for that particular person, that particular influencer on Twitter. So, for example, if you wanted, I don't know, let's say just to throw a name out. Let's say that you wanted to target people who are followers of, I don't know, Ben Shapiro. You know, he's been in the news lately because of what's going on in Israel. I don't know why you want to target his followers, but let's say you do, you like him for whatever reason, you'd be able to put in his Twitter handle, or X handle now, and basically it's going to start developing a list for you based on that. Okay, and you can literally do this for any influencer you can possibly think of. That's what's so cool about this method that I found for you. And then you can ask questions from Y Combinator to tell you, hey, this is what you should be doing. And then you'll have my tool to create a custom email that is going to be a high quality email written in the style of whichever marketer you like, in order to be able to reach out to these people, so that you really have that 1-2 punch to really start building up your business, excuse me. And the whole thing, by the way, just so you can see, check this out. The software and my bonus, everything included, you're going to be paying $12.95 for it. Okay, $12.95. All right. Yeah, you do have only 50 campaigns with that. If you want the unlimited, it's going to be $19.95. All right, but it's $12.95 one time to be able to get into this thing and start using it immediately. So yeah, and again, basically, all you have to do is you have to go into the software, set up your bonus inside the software, and you're going to get what's called a webhook. It's basically just a piece of code. You copy and paste it. It's very, very simple. Nothing complicated. You don't have to know coding at all. It's like literally just copy paste, and he's going to show you exactly where to copy and paste it into Warrior Plus or JVZoo in order to be able to make use of this thing. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product Peter or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, Jeremy, you really knocked this one out of the park. This is a great piece of software, especially if you haven't been doing something that involves limiting your offers. This is really going to help you to crush your affiliate marketing. Grab this for $12.95 along with my bonus. You're going to love this.